Welcome to Let It Get Right review. Welcome back everyone. How you guys doing today? Today we're gonna talk about the big fat Lexus. Let me show you. Big fat Lexus. Some real massive rim drive, real comfortable. Yeah guys. Have a lot of room space. You have a lot of room in the trunk where you can put your container, there's a lot of trunk space. The light is just amazing guys. Check out this light, man. Check out the light. This one is well designed. Beautiful car, man. Look what is going on in here, man. Look what is going on. The seat is amazing. Check out the seat, guys. Oh, have this nice, beautiful, oh man, check it out. Look what's going on here. You have where you can plug up your phone. You could do all of that over there, guys. Man, this thing is well made, man. Well put together, well compact. It's like it compact. We have the big screen here, push start. Okay, let me close the door because you gotta push start. This is what you call the big fat Lexus, guys. Let me close the doors. What I love about this, man, is comfortable. The drive is on